this video, I'm going to show you how to add a message to your lock screen. So if somebody finds it, they can contact you if you provide them with your number or something. So this will show on your lock screen when nothing else shows up. So if you lose your phone, you want to set this up so that there's a message for them to contact you. So you want to swipe down from the top, hit the little gear icon, go to display, and then you want to hit lock screen, show all notification contacts, and then on that you should see add text to your lock screen. So hit that, and this will give you a little window where you can type in a little message or something. I just put a sample on there. It says, if found, please call whatever your number is. You can put reward if returned or something like that. But that's really important. I know if you lose your phone, you want to have some kind of a way of getting it back, hopefully. So if they read this and the person is honest, they'll give you a call and they'll return your phone. So it's easy as that.